Chandrasekhar also will not touch. So I wanted to touch Shakti. Came and told me they are cooperating with me, Chandrasekhar and Kandra, and we can do the Kumbhabhishek. He was very happy. And then it began to take in place. And it was done by Father's grace. After Kumbhabhishekam, Mandalabhishekam should be done, and for that also there should be Krishna and all that. Not only that, after the Kumbhabhishekam and all that, there should be a regular puja of the statue. And they all cooperated, Chandrasekhar and so forth. So, Dr. Asaks was able to move the direction. Otherwise, these friends, they are talking. Your Nama will do, we don't need anything else. Said, yeah, it's your son.
You know, Swami, for idol, the rituals are more than 10,000 years it will come.
That happens. No question of losing your faith in Satyasai Lord. Faith unshaken. See, Krishna has killed Radha Krishna so close. In Aruthakotte?
In Kamaraj district, one music band is there.
Oh.
Madurai district also one.
Oh.
இரவாது பொருள் வேண்டும் பிறந்தாலும் அருள் வேண்டும் தரவாது பால் வேண்டும் கலந்தாலும் பால் வேண்டும் சிறப்பான நிலை வேண்டும் சிற்றவும் கடலுலகும் சிறப்பான நத்தீரத்தை செஞ்சுடரின் நத்தீரியோம் உலகம் உனை வணங்கி உன் உருவை வழிபட்டு திலகம் போல் நீ திகழ திருவண்ணாமலை அருளோ.
This was written in what we have been given at the top?
1972.
1972. We didn't know that it would happen, but they have done it.
So I brought it so that we could read it here.
Muthukutti Swami also wrote about those things. Muthukutti Swami also wrote about this.
Oh.
Salivadi boy Varvan Srinaya.
What is it?
That is Shiva, Lord Shiva will come in the form of a Shila here, Rani Mata.
Oh.
That area.
That area.
We will set a nice tune to it, Bhagavan, because I will.
Ram சந்திரன் மறைந்தனன் தாரகை ஒளிந்தது சங்கொடு தாளமும் முழங்கின வந்தன குலமோ வகை வகை பெரியோர் வந்தன குலமோ வகை வகை பெரியோர் வணங்கிடவே பள்ளி எழுந்தருளாயே வணங்கிடவே பள்ளி எழுந்தருளாயே.
Very good. Your name? Suji. My father blesses Suji.
நாங்கெல்லாம் ஓப்பனா நேற்று நாங்கள்
What did Parthivan do? Did he give that?
Yes, sir. Traditional Mother, he grand,